Hi guys, I'm Adrian, this is Mark. Over the next, oh no, that's not gonna work. Hi guys, I'm Adrian, this is Mark. Coming up soon,
Follow us on the Facebook.
But point at the camera.
I'm Mark from MRM, been in the game for around 16 years now.
Adrian, I own Regional Reef Restorations. I've owned it for the last 6 years. I've been in the trade industry for about 14 years, so that's all I know.
Most of my workmates would probably describe me as hardworking, bit of a lunatic, but still when it comes to finishing a job off, I'll be the last one there every day. You go now, Let me have a breather, mate.
My favourite thing about the industry I work in is the diversity between what kind of work I'll be doing every day. It's not the same. Using my brain different ways every day, basically.
You go. One of the positives of probably having younger blokes on site is the stories on a Monday morning of what's happened on the weekend.
What sort of stuff do they get up to?
No comment.
It's explicit, yeah. As a company, we have a high standard of work that we like to put across to our clients. We can't do that with a product that doesn't work. The Bostik product that we use works in every single way.
After our meeting with Bostik, I went to my toolbox and noticed there's at least 10 to 15 products in there, which are all Bostik products.
We're pretty excited to be bringing you some...
There's going to be so...
I'll get it.
There's going to be so...
I'll get it.